What is up, you guys? It's your boy Mike from C2W CARDS, and today we're gonna do a little something different because it's Saturday for one. Two, I've been working all month very freaking hard, so I feel like a little road trip, and I was hoping that you guys can come with me. So what we're gonna do is go down to a card shop and see what they have down in Hopewell, Virginia. So take a little road trip down there. It's about an hour from where I'm from, here in Fredericksburg, Virginia. So we're gonna go down there and see what they got, and maybe, most likely, if I buy something, we're gonna go ahead and open that up on this channel. So we're gonna take this trip. Hope you guys are ready. Locking the seatbelts. Let's get it on. All right, guys, we're in the car, getting ready. Go ahead and put the seatbelt on. Yeah. And let's get this show on the road, huh? Let's go. Alright, guys, we made it here finally, and I'm excited, man. Look at this. It's like downtown, kind of, you know. So let's go in here. I don't know if I can video. I'm gonna give them the respect not doing it, but I'll let you see what I get. But if I can get some footage, then I will. But let's go. I'm gonna go in here, see what we can get, and head back to the house. Let's go. Alright, guys, I just got out of there. I wasn't even in there for less than 5 minutes, and I bought what I needed to. But I would show you guys. Look, chill, relax, pump the brakes. I'll show you when we get into the office. So, let's C2W CARDS office. So, alright, guys, ready to go. Headed back now, and then we're going to go in and see what I got. And then we're going to crack some packs open, baby. Let's go! Alright, guys, I just made it home, and well, let's go to the office and see what I got. Let's go. Alright, guys, we made it into the office now. Took a shirt off because it's hot. But anyways, let's see what we got today. Oh, it's a little spicy. Granitar tin. Got a Granitar tin. Got a few packs of Vivid Voltage. Hopefully there's the Chunky Chew. Let's go. And then, of course, take that off. Another Chiller Rain booster box. But we're going to open this on a later date. But we're going to open up this Tyranitar tin. And then we're going to open up these Vivid Voltage packs. So, let's go ahead. Let's get into it. What we've all been waiting for, right? Alright, let's go. Alright, let's see what we get in this Tyranitar tin. Let's go. Sorry for the lighting, man, but hopefully it's good enough. Wow. Let's go. Oh, that Tyranitar card is pretty dope. Sweet. Now I heard there's a special pack in here somewhere. So, we're going to see that. See what we get. Obviously, we get her whole Battle Styles. Ooh. One of my favorite sets. One of my favorite sets ever, man. It's because of this guy, obviously. But, the Darkness Ablaze. But I am so excited about that pack. So, that's going to sit there. We get some Sword and Shield base. And then, oh, man. Thought I was going to get like a spicy pack. But, hey, Guardians Rising is, it's alright. Not too shabby. And then, obviously, the Vivid Voltage. So, let's do this. To have fun, I'm definitely going to keep this pack over here because that's my favorite. So, we're going to do that very last. And we're just going to mix these up. Make it look good. That's how it's going to land. Alright. So, let's go. Alright, you guys, that was the pack opening. I appreciate you guys for taking a ride with me today and catching a little glimpse of what I do at C2W Cards. I'm your boy Mike from C2W Cards. If you guys enjoyed today's vlog and little pack opening, if you guys can give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and if you guys want to go and follow me on Instagram, it would be C2W_cards. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the flip side.